Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how you can delete your VPN account, PureVPN account. Okay, so the only method to delete your account is via contact information. Okay, you need to contact with the customer support team by using this email address. You need to send an email related to your account deletion, and the email address you can see help@purevpn.com. You need to send your email at this email address, and the email format you can see over here. You just need to simply change your name, like request to delete my PureVPN account. Okay, you need to replace this thing, and you can take a screenshot and you can generate this email. And you can also use help chat GPT. They will provide you a email format, and you can send this email at this email address, and that's it. And they will reply you very soon, and your account will be deleted, your information will be deleted from their database. Okay, so before deleting your account, you make sure you have cancelled your all the subscription if you have taken any subscription. Otherwise they will charge you again and again. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.